Over the past 150 years, global warming has more than undone the global cooling that occurred over the past 6 millennia, according to a major study published June 30 in Nature Research's Scientific Data, Holocene Global Mean Surface Temperature, a multi-method reconstruction approach. The find. Since then, accelerating greenhouse gas emissions have contributed to global average temperatures that are now surpassing 1 degree Celsius above the mid-19th century. 4 researchers of Northern Arizona University's School of Earth and Sustainability, SES, led the study, with Regents Professor Darrell Kaufman as lead author and Associate Professor Nicholas McKay as co-author, along with Assistant Research Professors Cody, Routson and Erb. The team worked in collaboration with scientists from research institutions all over the world to reconstruct the global average temperature over the Holocene Epoch, the period following the Ice Age and beginning about 12,000 years ago. Before global warming, there was global cooling, said Kaufman. Previous work has shown convincingly that the world naturally and slowly cooled for at least 1,000 years prior to the middle of the 19th century, when the global average temperature reversed course along with the buildup of greenhouse gases. This study, based on a major new compilation of previously published paleoclimate data, combined with new statistical analyses, shows more confidently than ever that the millennial-scale global cooling began approximately 500 years ago. Earlier this year, an international group of 93 paleoclimates. At each site, researchers analyzed ecological, geochemical and biophysical evidence from both marine and terrestrial archives, such as lake deposits, marine sediments, peat and glacier ice, to infer past temperature changes. Countless scientists working around the world over many decades conducted the basic research contributing to the global database. The rate of cooling that followed the peak warmth was subtle, only around 0.1 degree Celsius per 1,000 years. This cooling seems to be driven by slow cycles in the Earth's orbit, which reduced the amount of summer sunlight in the Northern Hemisphere, culminating in the Little Ice Age of recent centuries, said Erb, who analyzed the temperature reconstructions. Since the mid-19th century, global warming has climbed to about 1 degree Celsius, suggesting that the global average temperature of the last decade, 2010 to 2019, was warmer than any time during the present post-glacial period. McKay, who developed some of the statistical approaches to synthesizing data from around the world, notes that individual decades are not resolved in the 12,000-year-long temperature reconstruction, making it difficult to compare it with any recent decade. Thanks for watching. Do you like my video? Then show me your love by pressing like button. Please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for new science inventions in future.